is the way that you can create some automated actions in eMaint. So you can do different things. So I was thinking in the way that you have well, the different size that you have in your system, because you have different states, different series. So maybe a good example for the workflow is create a workflow that send the notification, well, the work order request information to one emails according to the city and state that that the person that create the work order uh, configure for that work order request. So, for example, in this work order request list, we have, let me see, I'm going to add more information here. So let's go to say that city, okay, and state, okay. My changes. So we have Las Vegas, Nevada. And maybe simple for this.
I don't see your screen.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, I didn't share my screen. Yeah, sorry. Okay, so in this list, I just add these two columns to the work order request. So I go here, manage table columns, and add the city and state from this list, okay, that we have in the left. Okay. So what I'm trying to do is, okay, if anybody create a work order request that the state is Nevada, then that work order request information is going to be sent to a specific email. Okay, so that's one of the sample of the workflow manager. So another example that I mentioned early in the morning is the every time that anybody create a work order that the type of work order is an emergency, then the system is going to send an email or notification to that person. Okay, so let's go to create an example using this, the work order request. Every time that somebody create a work order request that including the state Nevada, is going to send an email, and also we can use a text message to a cell phone. And I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so the first things that I need to do, I'm going to open the workflow manager. Okay, in the workflow manager we have different workflow here that somebody create. Okay, so how do you do to create a new workflow manager? The same thing in the tables, in another table like a work order, just click here in the plus sign icon, and we have a new workflow. In this case, it's gonna be the sample or training, and I'm going to type here active to activate that workflow. Disable date and time. We can disable for a specific date time. Error message is the message. Normally, this fields is empty because the system is going to autofill that message with the write message in the case that we have any errors in the automation. Do not disable on error. Is not a good idea to configure true, because uh, if there is the error change information into the database, we can break the database if we select the true, because it will continue creating the same error and changing information inside of the database. So the idea is, if there is any error, the system is going to deactivate that workflow for us. So in this case, we are going to use, remember, work order requests. Any work order request that includes the state Nevada will send a notification to an email. Okay. And work order requests. After work order request save. After that is saved, we are going to verify that field. So within table equals value. Table fields, any table fields in this case is going to be the state. The field state will include the Nevada. Okay, so I'm going to do this. With this is the condition. We can select one, two, any number of conditions. Well, of course, we have just 6 conditions here. In this case, we are going to verify the field inside of the table work order request contain the word Nevada. So as you can see, when I check this checkbox in the setup screen here, appear this little message with the automation, the code of the automation. So we are going to use the tables. We need to select the table. So in this case, it's going to be the request, work order request, save, and the fields is going to be it, state, save, and the value is going to be save. So every time that after that we save a work order request, and inside of that work order request, the field state include the word Nevada, is going to do something. Okay. So what is the the things that is going to happen is
Send an email.
send an email template to recipients. So this is the okay, but I forget to create the email template because we don't have. If I click here, I don't have. Well, we have this one, but idea is to use a different one. So I'm going to jump to the second tab here, go to main menu, and workflow email template. With these options, we can create email templates for the workflow to be able to use that template inside of the list that we have here. So this is the custom request auto notification. Okay, so request number, okay, so we can use this one because we have the request number, description or description, requester, phone, and email. Okay, we can use this. This is okay. This is the information that I need. So it's already here. But in the case that I need to change or create a new one, I just need to add a new record and configure this information. This information that we have here with this bracket that we have is just the name of the table. In this case, is request, the name of the field, brief description, and we are pulling out this information from the tables and using that information into our template. Okay, so we can use this one. So let's go to select that one.
But it doesn't have to be by city and state. It can be by address, correct?
Excuse me.
It does not have to be by city and state. It can be by request, by address.
Yeah, that's right.
Like I have 2 buildings, so I would want only those 2 buildings to come to me, to be emailed to me.
Oh, we can do that.
That's what I'm curious. I'll figure that part out, but
Yeah, it is possible. So instead of use the state field, you can use the street and then equal to your building, your 2 buildings, and configure that. That information here. Yeah, no problem. So let's go to use this and recipients. This one could be a template default or custom. Custom is gonna be the email. So in my case, I can use my personal email, my email. But let me show you this. I'm going to show you this link, these files that normally I share with the students. So, okay, this is the calculated fields and expressions. One of the things that you can, well, we are going to use this during the report session, but one of the things that I like about this is this one, the text notification for a cell phone. So for example, Chuck, what is your your provider, cell phone provider? T-Mobile, AT&T. Oh, you know what? I'm going to use my telephone number. This one. I'm going to use this one. Enter C, and then custom. I can type this, and this is gonna be my telephone number. This will be.
You can use mine if you like.
Yeah.
Then I can watch the
Okay.
notification come in.
Is what is the provider?
Verizon.
AT&T? Verizon. Okay. Let me use this. Your Verizon's gonna be this. Okay.
Greendex.com. Okay.
C.
480.
480
466
66
6454.
6454.
Yep.
Okay. Oh, and let me add that receipt and save. So now we have this configuration. So after the work order request is saved, it's going to verify that the state field is Nevada, and it's going to send that the information inside of this auto notification to your cell phone. So that's what I need. Okay, that's okay. So I'm going to save that. Let me.
Manu, is it possible to put more than one number?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure is because it's an email. You need to add a comma between the two.
Okay.
So let's go to save, and let's go to test that. And now I need to go to the work order request. And I need to have, what was it? Let's go to use the same copy machine asset. So let's go to create a new, requested by, okay, email. Uh, and asset ID. What was the name? Copy machine. Oh, description clear. What was the name? Oh yeah, there's no S. Okay, so let's go to select. Which one is in Las Vegas? Las Vegas State. Uh, now we can select this. So for example, water here. Why? Yeah, site address is Carmen Boulevard. Carmen Boulevard. Okay, Las Vegas, Nevada. Okay. Problem type, electrical. Okay. Change network. Description is a test. The approvers image. Oh, now we have the possibility to add an image here. So, okay, so let's go to save this. And then after this, you receive the, well, not me, notification. And let me know if you receive the notification, Sammy. Control manager. Mm, okay, this way. Let me go this. I'm going to add my custom dirt number and understand here AT&T. And number. Okay, 210. 6 1 34 89. Okay, and also my email. Just in case. Proceed. Save. Okay. And save. Now edit and save. Yeah, I received the. Yeah, I received the in my email the notification, and in my cell phone and also my email. So for my email, I have this message: request number. Yeah, in my cell phone, the text said Manuel Mosquera has entered a new work request number 119, and show me the information about my email and my name. So did you receive the same message?
No, not yet. I don't have anything yet.
Okay. This oh yeah, here we go. 480 466 6454.
Yeah,
Is that your name?
correct.
Okay.
At Verizon. Okay, maybe needs a moment.
Yeah,
That sheet you're getting this from is that available to us?
this one, the workflow manager.
Yeah, the
Yeah,
where you
yeah.
got the text. Uh, it
Oh,
was a
this
PDF.
one. No, I'm going to share this page with you.
Okay,
It's part of the documents that normally I share with the
okay,
because these expressions we are going to use when we cover the report session.
perfect, perfect.
Yeah, so also this information, well, for a report, it's not a good idea to send as a test message because sometimes a report include hundreds of records. So,
Oh yes,
but it's
yes,
but it's another option. Because of that, we just have this for the workflow
yes,
because sometimes it's really quickly to get the test message notification instead of the emails and for
exactly.
example, for me, it's all the time that I verify first the instead of my email, the text message. So that's the way that you can do uh, the creation. This is a good example. So that maybe apply for you because you have um, instead of be connected to eMaint and verify any work order request that arrive to for your site. Because if you want to do that using the eMaint, you need to go to the list and create a filter to show just the work order requests that belong to you as a user. So with the workflow manager, you can avoid that because every time that somebody create a work order request that include your facilities that you are in charge of. So it's pretty easy to get that notification using the email and also the text message.
Right, but for somebody like Sammy, he would have like 3,000 text messages,
Yeah, no, yeah, it's not that the idea for.
That's what I was sort of worried about because we have extra buildings in Nevada, Reno. There's there's other sites, so that's why we have to specify which ones.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
That's right.
Yeah, like something that might be an emergency, like you were mentioning earlier, Manu, maybe something like that, then a
Oh,
text message would make sense, would be logical.
yeah, yeah, that's right.
Okay.
Yeah. And you can customize your workflow according to your needs and
Right.
have different
Right.
ideas. This is just an example, but it will apply to the work order. It will apply to the assets, anything that you can have access using the different actions. So it is possible.
Gotcha.
Mhm.
Very nice.
Okay, so let's go to have a break.
Okay,
10 minutes.
great.
Okay.
Thank you, Manu.
Real quick, Sammy,
Yes.
do I need to be on this next part?
Let me see here. How to display
Is a
no,
scheduler. Is a
no.
scheduler.
Yeah, no,
It's the
it's
scheduler.
not really, and I'll have the recording anyway. If you're ever curious about it, we'll make it available. All these videos, I'll make available.
I'm just getting ready to take off. That's why I was asking.
Oh yes, you guys are ahead of us.
A little bit.
Yes, one
And
hour,
I start
right?
a lot earlier.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you guys.
Very good.
And
Thank you. Thanks for your
I
time,
will
Chuck.
definitely have to see you Friday, it sounds like, too.
Yeah, you have the. I'll share the schedule with you, Chuck, and you can choose what you like to review and attend.
Okay, perfect.
All right.
Thank you guys.
Thanks. Bye.
Okay.
Nice meeting you, Manny.
Okay. Thank you.